Today, I am making a warm, comforting Punjabi meal. Gajar Aloo Matar Sabji, that is carrot, potato, and peas curry, served with Makki di Roti and soft parathas. This is a simple home-style recipe made with Desi ghee, onions, garlic, green chilies, and basic spices. Let's begin. First, I heat a little Desi in the pan. Desi ghee gives a beautiful aroma and a rich flavor to the sabji. When the ghee becomes warm, I add chopped onions and spring onions. I cook them until they turn soft and slightly golden. Next, I add crushed garlic and chopped green chilies. Garlic adds depth and warmth, and green chilies give a light heat. I mix everything and let it cook for a minute. Now I add the spices. Turmeric for color, salt for balance, red chili powder for heat, and a little ghee, that is fenugreek leaves. These spices create the base flavor of the sabji. Now I add the vegetables. Gajar, carrots, aloo, potatoes, and moyotur, green peas. I mix everything well so the vegetables get coated with the spices and ghee. I cover the pan and let the sabji cook on low heat. The carrots become soft, the potatoes turn tender, and the peas blend beautifully with the spices. I stir from time to time so nothing sticks to the bottom. While the sabji is cooking, I prepare the Makki di Roti. I take Makki di Roti, that is corn flour, and mix it with hot water. Hot water helps the dough come together easily. I knead it gently until it becomes soft. Now I take a small portion of the dough and press it gently into a round shape. Makki di Roti is delicate, so I shape it slowly with my hands. I place it on the tawa and cook it on medium heat until both sides turn golden. You can add a little ghee on top for extra flavor. I also make a simple paratha. I roll out the dough, cook it on the tawa, and add a little ghee to make it soft and tasty. Now the sabji is ready. The carrots, potatoes, and peas are cooked perfectly. The desi ghee, garlic, and ghee give it a beautiful aroma. It looks colorful, smells amazing, and tastes even better. I serve the hot Gajar Aloo Matar Sabji with fresh Makki di Roti and a soft paratha. This simple Punjabi meal is full of flavor, warmth, and comfort. Today's sabji turned out absolutely delicious.
Leave it for 20 minutes.
If you try this Gajar Aloo Matar Sabji with Makki di Roti at home, let me know how it turned out.
Okay.
Thank you for watching this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home-style Punjabi recipes. See you in the next video.